Hola, mi amigos and mi amigas. Today I got something that I recommend myself to do, and that's this Jarritos Grapefruit flavor. Oh, yes, we're chugging. Well, eventually, I'm chugging out of the classic Jarritos but grapefruit flavor. And there's several flavors such as orange, pineapple, mango, and the one I truly love, fruit punch. But without further ado, let's get cracking. Ooh, nice. Man, hear that sizzle. What? Yep. And now, without further ado, let's get chugging. 3, 2, 1. Mm. Not bad. Now, if you want me to chug out of another Jarritos, I'll do it in the next video. Wait, hold on. Yep, okay, I'm okay now. So, that's all for the video. So, adios.